Let's go to Treasure Island.
Okay.
I want to do that because name interests me. So we have to find treasure inside that hotel.
Yeah.
Let's go find some treasure. I want to go to Mirage as well. These are all Arabic.
How many have we done? 5? So we
You
did
know-
Circus, Mirage. No. Have we done Mirage? No.
Mirage is the same.
No, but I'm trying to count the ones we did. We did Circus, we did Palazzo, The Nation, Wynn. Who was Wynn's friend? Encore. So we've
Palazzo.
done. No, you're getting it confused. Wynn is with Encore. It's 5 in total thus far.
Okay, now
Oh
we
look,
go.
they're doing the show. Let's go.
Maybe it's far. By the time we get there, it's gonna stop.
Baby, have some faith. It's Vegas.
Maybe we're not on UCs.
But I want to see the show.
Let's do Treasure Island. We
No,
do
but
that
let's
later.
look at the show.
See, it's finished.
Great.
You know this word mirage. There is also a word mirage in Arabic.
Yeah, that must be an Arabic theme hotel.
So see, like we are right in the middle. So there is Palazzo at the back, Venetian, Mirage, Treasure Island, Conrad, Wynn, all those like 4-star hotels right here. So this is just one side of the strip, Las Vegas strip. It's huge. I'll cover more of the strip tomorrow night on my EUC, so look out for that video.
The problem is it looks like, oh, it's right there. And then it takes 3 hours to get there.
Yeah, so
Look at that, the most fancy Walgreens you'll ever see in your life. That is a posh Walgreens.
so for those international audience and audience from UK, Walgreens is like a pharmacy.
It's like
Like
Boots
super drugs.
or Boots.
Yeah. So we're crossing the road for our next destination, which is Treasure Island. That's nice. If you're staying in Treasure Island, Starbucks is just outside. So that is the main entrance of Treasure Island Hotel. So this is how Treasure Island Hotel looks as soon as you enter. First thing you're gonna be slapped with is casino. Casino, more casinos. So, is there like these all hotels have casinos inside? Is there only casino places as well, like proper dedicated just casino? Nothing else, no hotel. No?
I don't think so. I think it behooves them to have both because it's like a moneymaker 2 ways.
So this is Treasure Island. Nice little balconies, Juliet balconies on top.
I think it's like a cowboy theme.
Yeah. Nice. So that's called Treasure Island. Find your treasure here. Find your fortune here.
Do you think these guys who like, what do you call these people? The one that like hosts the table?
Dealer?
Like dealers, yeah. Do you think like if nobody comes to the dealers, do they still get paid? Because there's a bunch of dealers with empty tables.
I guess, yeah, there must be some basic pay.
Like hourly.
Yeah.
And then they get tips.
So Treasure Island, you'll find all these hot girls.
You know that sad frog that was there? He's part of this place.
Huh.
Look at the happy frog.
Yeah. So this is, ladies and gentlemen, outside of Treasure Island Hotel. Pirates of Caribbean kind of feel.
There you go. Treasure has been found. Every time we come out of a hotel, it feels like the weather dropped 10 degrees.
And look at me, I'm walking in a shirt.
You're really brave.
Free coronavirus.